Hi, my name is Igor and welcome to my Makerspace. So, a few months ago I ordered this Creality CR-10 from Gearbest for around 350 euros. I wanted to give it a try. I saw a lot of good reviews on YouTube and I really wanted to have a 3D printer with a bigger build volume. This 3D printer comes with a build volume of 30 by 30 by 40 centimeters. The assembly of this 3D printer is really easy. It's comparable to an IKEA cabinet that you build together. I had some problems with the X-carriage not being straight from the factory. I couldn't fix this by rotating the eccentric nuts, so I had to unscrew some screws from the X-gantry to get it leveled. But other than that, it has been printing great. After a few months of use of this printer, I wanted to do some small modifications. I started by removing the racing stripes that I didn't really like, and some of them were rubbing against some parts in the 3D printer, so I think it's better to get rid of them. I also bought a kit with some upgraded parts for the Creality CR-10 from the Creality webshop. It includes a strain relief for the heated bed, an upgraded extruder part and some spare nozzles and spare parts. I replaced my strain relief. I had a 3D printed version before, but I liked the injection molded part better. I ordered those parts from the Creality webshop, but I think most CR10s that are shipped out now already include those upgrades, so you don't have to worry about it. A thing you could consider is adding some stepper dampers between the stepper motor and the carriages to minimize the amount of vibration transferred into the frame of the printer. And those vibrations cause sounds that are kinda annoying to hear all day long. After installing the stepper dampers, the sound of the motors has almost disappeared completely. I think this is a great upgrade and I think you should really do your 3D printer. It becomes way more silent and that's great for when you're doing overnight prints. As you probably can hear, the sound of the stepper motors is almost gone. The loudest thing on this 3D printer now are the fans, and that might be something I will replace in the future to make it even more silent. If you have any questions, please leave them in the comments. And if you liked watching this video, please like and subscribe. Thank you for watching and keep on making. Bye.